This video is a promise to myself for the future. I'll be here on YouTube, creative and helpful to others. If nobody wants to watch it now, that's okay, because I know my art is valuable and my tutorials are worth it. Now, I'm 22 years old, happier than ever and ready to share this piece of cake with others. I've been inspired by random YouTube videos and TikToks, featuring beautiful people with beautiful minds, and understood. I don't need to search the reason to judge. I love their content, their energy and their souls. And it reminded me to keep working the way I dream of the most. Also, thanks to my sis ChatGPT for helping me improve my English. And of course, Duo with 700 days together. Of course, I want to thank everyone who stands with Ukraine. This is my home, where I've lived for 22 years. I'll never forget that. I've worked hard to step away from negativity and criticism. That's why I've shifted to creating content in English. When I think in English, I don't hear what others think about me. I focus on what I think about me. I didn't like and didn't want to take to my heart terribly things that people say to me. See yourself like a cinnamon roll. Any things you can attach to you. It's okay if you are not baked now, but you will if you start it. And suddenly I see that subscribers sent to me the news about my rosy art in South Korea media. And I think about it. Why my energy is so wrong way. Why I am accept to people complexes. If you're a kind person, you can see and feel something like this. It's okay. Dear friends, I wish you and your families all the best things you can imagine. Please keep doing. You are good. You're sweet. You really deserve it. My name is Akativa Art. This is the end of 2024, but only beginning of my journey.